Have you ever had your bags lost? Don't you get tired of waiting at the airport for your checked bags? Wouldn't it be nice when your plane lands that you can just get off the plane and leave the airport? 14 outfits, 3 pair of shoes, and 1 carry-on. Why? Because I hate checking bags. So one of the things that I try to avoid as much as possible is checking the bag. I can't remember the last time we checked the bag. We travel a lot, and it's so nice to just be able to get off the plane, grab your bag, and go straight out of the airport. Whether you have an Uber or someone picking you up, and just avoid that whole waiting for them to unload your bag off the plane, hope that they didn't lose it, and also hope that no one else picks up your bag thinking it's theirs. That can be all avoided just by not checking the bag, doing a carry-on. So as you can see, I like to bring pants on my trip, and I just roll them really tight. It's a nice little tight roll. You stuff it in there. Start from the top and then just go down towards the bottom. And just try to roll it as tight as possible so it can fit in there and not take up too much room in your bag. I know what you may be thinking. Is there gonna be a lot of wrinkles when you get to your destination and unpack? A lot of hotels, at least most of them that I've been in, they have irons. So if you're not cool with the wrinkles, I mean, you're on vacation, but if you're not cool with wrinkles, you can just use the iron and knock some of those wrinkles out. They even have sprays that you can spray that handles wrinkles. So that's not a problem. It's nothing but a problem for me. We do have a wrinkle spray that releases the wrinkles from your clothes when you spray it. I'll put a link in it in the description below. Now for the shirts, simply same thing. We're gonna roll it, kind of fold it in half, and then move the sleeves over, and then just roll it tight. Like I said, it's so worth it, not to have that anxiety of, did they put my bag on the plane? How long am I have to wait before they unload it? This just eliminates all of that. So one thing that's very important to us when we go on vacations, because this is just a part of our daily routine, is working out. So I got my workout pants here and my shirts, and I'm just gonna do these the same way. I know some people don't like working out on vacation. They're like, it's just vacation, but it's just part of our daily routine. It feels weird if we didn't work out. I like to get it in early in the morning, get it out of the way, and kind of starts our day off with a nice workout. We're gonna be there 6 days, and we're gonna work out for the 6 days. So usually on the travel day, we don't work out. The day we arrive and the day we depart, we don't work out on those days, but the days in between, we gotta get it in. You notice that we have a suitcase on the bed. We don't normally do that. These carry-ons are dirty. We put them on the ground. They're all in the airport and dragging around. So I do have a towel on the bed. So just covering our beds. Yeah, this is a little travel hack we've picked up over the years. We love traveling. Got a lot of trips planned over the next year or so. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you can get the notification of our trips coming up. And these are my swimwear, so I'm just gonna fold those too. But yeah, over the next year or so, we're gonna have 4 cruises planned. In August, we're gonna be going on the Utopia of the Seas, brand new ship, a Royal Caribbean. Looking forward to that. And then in October, gonna try a cruise line we never went on before, MSC. I believe it's called the Seashore. There are some mixed things about that, but I'm looking forward to a different cruise line. We usually Royal Caribbean like pretty much all the time. And then we're gonna do another one in January. It's gonna be the Norwegian cruise line. The ship is called Viva. I'm really excited about that. I've heard so many good things about that ship, so looking forward to that. And then in February, we're going on the big boy. You guys know about him. Icon of the Seas. Currently the world's largest cruise ship. It's Royal Caribbean, so you know they're gonna do it up real nice. And we're looking forward to doing a really good video on that ship. All of them really, but especially that one. So stay tuned. I am close to finishing up here. And last but not least are the shoes. So what I'm gonna do to save some space is tuck some of my socks in the shoes. So one thing that we usually bring is a few garbage bags with us, and it serves as two purposes. One is when you wanna create a separation between your clean clothes and your shoes. Just put that there. So now I have my clothes are not getting dirty. Just packing the shoes here. So the other reason we have the bags is we can put our dirty clothes in the bag. So we on our vacation and we have workout clothes or dirty clothes and we don't want to bring those home and have them mixed in or touching your bag. You can put it in the garbage bag and tie it up, seal it. There you have it. Here's my carry-on, and I haven't even used these pockets here yet. So if I have some other things I need to throw in there, some documents or an iPad or something, no need to check a bag. One carry-on. So how many bags on average do you carry with you when you travel? Comment below. We'd love to hear from you.